What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another wig installation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. From ISEE here, this is their packaging. Let me show you guys what I received inside my packaging today. So we received a few goodies in our package. So this is the wig that we'll be installing today. This one is their 20-inch Kinky Straight unit. It has the elastic band in the back for comfort, and then it comes with the adjustable strap. The wig is already pre-plucked and pre-cut for us. All we need to do is install it. This is it. Has that nice deep part. You can see the unit is already pre-bleached, giving us that natural effect on the scalp. This is the unit. I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can go ahead and make your purchase. Again, this unit is from ISEE here. This is their 20-inch Kinky Straight unit. Let's go ahead and install our unit. Go ahead and put a wig cap on. They did send us a wig cap, so we're just going to use the one that they sent for us. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to my lace before I put my wig on. It's giving us a really nice glueless finish already, and we haven't even done anything. Again, the unit comes with the lace pre-cut and the wig is already pre-plucked for us. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up our unit, but this is it. I actually love how the hairline is looking. So let's go ahead and finish up our unit. It's a really nice glueless finish. Like if you don't want to apply glue, you don't have to. It's actually giving us a snug fit. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my glue that I'll be using again is the Kiss Color Lace Bond glue. I actually love how it holds the last time. So we're back with this again. So this is what the hairline is looking like. It's giving us a really natural look. So let's go ahead and style the unit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love how this turned out. It is super cute. It has given us a really pretty finish and I am in love. This is it. The unit is super lightweight, super soft, and very easy to install, and I definitely love how this turned out. Again, this unit is from ISEE here. This is their 20-inch Kinky Straight unit and I love it. This is it. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from ISEE here, go ahead and check out my description. I will be leaving their link down below. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in another video.